Katie and the Citizen, Part 2. La 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 la. Thank heavens I have finally escaped that treacherous beast, Katie. Gives me shivers. I am going to go for a hike in the rainforest. And if you're wondering what I am using for food, I have strapped my trusty graham cracker to myself so that whenever I am hungry, I can just nibble on my tummy. And what the Citizen does not know is that graham crackers are Katie's favorite midday snack. It's midday, and she's out. Let's go along now, shall we? These smell delicious. Well, time to hit the hay. That looks like a good place to plop down. Floop. And no one can even see me. Good. She's not here. Okay, might as well settle down. Wait, but I have forgotten to go to the bathroom before I go to bed. Because you know what my mommy always says? Always go to the bathroom while you wet your pants. And a memento? Okay, done. Katie! She's lurking nearby. Kate? She's sniffing him out. Oh no! Oh no! Katie! Has she found the Citizen? She's found him! What are you doing? Oh, she's mistaken me for a leaf. Whew. Wait, who is this? What are you doing? Katie! Katie! Shit! Shit! She's eating him alive! She's eating him! Ah! Eat the Citizen! Eat the Citizen! Not just his graham cracker, eat it! Yum, 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 yum. Katie, eat it. Eat it, no. Eat the Citizen! Ah! She's eating my arm! I'm gonna need another cast! No, please! No more! No more! Katie, eat it. Katie. Good girl. Yes. Oh my gosh! Please, someone help! Aw, look at how cute she is! It's the cutest little dog in the world, or what? Poor Citizen. Left, hurt, torn, and without a graham cracker. She walks off in happiness.